Honorable Chief Minister of Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Chandrababu Naidu, my colleague in the Government of India, who is the force behind this partnership summit, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, my another colleague, Minister for Civil Aviation, Sri Ashok Gajapati Raju, the captains of industry, the officials, and also the representatives of the CAA and the delegates who have all assembled here from different parts of the globe, and the distinguished partners who have all joined this CAA summit. Friends, I am really happy to be here amidst you all today because the entire world is looking towards India, because India is the happening place and India is looking towards Andhra Pradesh and Visakhapatnam. You have seen the global economy slow down. Even our neighbor, a powerful economy, China, also a little slow. The only favorable country for investment is India. This is not what Venkaiah Naidu is saying or Narendra Modi is promoting. The World Economic Forum, World Bank, ADB, Moody ratings, not Modi ratings, even Moody ratings. The entire world is looking towards India with interest. I was there the other day when friends from UAE has come. They are showing keen interest in India. And I was there in the Vibrant Gujarat Summit, there also lot of interest. And more than 35 to 40 ambassadors of different countries, they came and met me. They are all showing interest in India, particularly in the Smart City program and the Amrut program initiated by Sri Narendra Bhai Modi. Because India is the place of happening. And the Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, he gave us a 3-line mantra. He said, reform, perform and transform. I told him, sir, I will add one more word. Reform, perform, transform, and then we inform also, because I might be minister also. The information, what is happening in India, what is happening in Andhra Pradesh, through interactive sessions, through presentations, through discussions, you will be able to know better. The Prime Minister is very keen that we bring reforms in every sector because he is one of the great transformers of the country. He wants to transform India. He wants to make it a strong, stable, prosperous nation. And he wants to have inclusive growth. Inclusive growth. He wants every section of the people to feel that they are also part of the development story of India. And he wants to see that the fruits of development reach the ordinary people, common people also. So his entire effort is in the direction of transformation. And if the country has to transform, the states also has to transform. That's why the Prime Minister said that we must all work as Team India, center and states, irrespective of the political color of the state government. We are cooperating with the state government. We want to see that the cooperative federalism, which is our basic principle, is put into operation without any discrimination. That's why we are all here today also to extend support to the state government of Andhra Pradesh in its efforts to take the state forward. Friends, as I was explaining to you, in every sector, things are moving. You have seen earlier what was the story about India, what is the story about now. People now are thinking that there is an able leader and a stable government because there is a stability and also ability of the leader and stability of the governance. Because the ruling party has got comfortable majority. And the second thing is there is a change of mindset among the people of India. In the political system and in the political discourse, the focus is more on development, speedy development. That is the political discourse that is going on. The political jargon, whatever we discuss, that also has changed now. People are talking about Make in India. PM has given a program called as MISSI-DC. MISSI-DC is the name given by me, program is given by the Prime Minister. MI, Make in India, SI, Skill India, DI, Digital India, CI, Clean India, that is MISI-DC program. It has caught up the imagination of the people. And everybody want to come and do something here. Even the foreign companies also, who used to supply us earlier, now they want to come here and they want to set up their own units because they find the atmosphere is favorable. Secondly, there is a broad consensus about reforms. There will be some people here and there, once in a way they will be opposing because they have to oppose. But I also tell you what happens in a democratic system. I propose, they oppose, let the House dispose, and House has a majority for the reforms. That is a system, the country and the state. Now there is a competition between the states. Every state want to compete. You just now heard that the state of Andhra Pradesh under the able leadership of Chandrababu Naidu has crossed the double-digit growth. And states like Madhya Pradesh, states like Rajasthan, states like Chhattisgarh, states like Jharkhand, even states like Bihar, they are all in the race now for development. Every state is trying to hold an investors meeting, try to create the conducive atmosphere, and the Prime Minister said here afterwards, no more red tape, there will be red carpet to whoever want to come and invest, there is a red carpet for everybody. Bureaucratic delays, they are identified and then solutions are found. Ease of doing business, ease of approvals. I am Minister for Urban Development. In urban development, if you have to construct buildings or provide construction permit, people used to say, sir, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years and all, you have to go to number of ministers and move around. Now, 7 of us ministers, we sat together, we discussed civil aviation, defence, railways, consumer affairs, and also the environment ministry, myself, we sat together and then we are almost coming with some final recommendation that you make an application, you make a declaration, within 60 days it is approved. If it is not approved, deemed to have been approved. If there is no